Hello everyone, received this step stool in exchange for review. So let's check it out. Look how small this is and then how lightweight it is. It has a handle here too that you can just carry it easily to another room. I mean, this is so small and so compact that it's easy to carry. Now, in order for it to go like a step stool, you just press in the middle and there it is. Easy enough. And then for it to go back down, you just pull the handle up. I mean, this is very simple, very easy to use, to carry. Okay, so here's the bottom of the stool. There is actually this non-slip surface grip, so it's not so hard to slide with it on. It's supposed to be pretty sturdy and be solid on the ground instead of slipping and sliding when you get on top. Now it does say that there's a 300-pound limit. Now let's go test it out in some different areas and see how much height it actually gives people when they step on it. Okay, so where I use a step stool in many places is the closet, just trying to reach up. And here's just an example of the height it gives you stepping on that stool. Okay, this little instruction manual that came with it, it does say always try to go into the center when you're stepping up. That way it is safer. But overall, I'm very happy with the step stool. I hope this video was helpful and I hope y'all have a great day.